Sorry about that, guys. So, what is up, guys? Storm Beast here, and I'm here with another video today. And I'm here with a new game. Yes, a new game on the Android, Google Play, of course. I am on. It is Big Wing Soccer. And quickly, look, there's the Big Rush, and there's the Players Pack. And of course, I've just started. I'm level 1, and I have this team. It's not that great because I just started, as you can see. You got 64, 64, 66, which is okay. But as you can see here, the Big Rush is the best place. Wait, the info? No, I want to see the information. There you go. So here you go. So there's all these players. As you can see, there's like John Pace, Tyler Portman, Colin Richardson, and Dong Wong Park. They're all 100 rated. 1 card per pack. 1 chance for one of the superstar players. Pack contains gold big impact cards, gold players, gold contracts, platinum skill boost, or gold platinum kits. So we're gonna do a little pack opening of this. So let's get started. What do we get? Oh my god. Oh my god. First pack we get, oh my god, first pack we get 100 rated. That is awesome. What do we get this time? Okay, we get world class control. Ain't that good? What do we get? We get some skill boost. Decent. We get nice crunch and tackles. Let's do this one. It is a shot again. I am going to do 1 of these. Okay, so I get 3 decent-ish players. Central midfielder, right defender, and right midfielder. That's good. I'm using that until that's up to 1,000, down to 1,000. Okay, get a nice platinum card there. That's nice. Central defender, 76 rated. That's very nice. Open 1 more of these. Get that. So we get nice. Best player is this guy. So continue. Let's keep going with the Big Rush. What do we get? Okay, nice contract. Oh. I'm wondering if you can get another purple. Another shot. I don't really mind whatever I get. Okay. Contract again. Go for that one. Ooh. Okay, gold player. Okay. It's alright. And quickly, there's a big players pack. And I'm going to use the big players and the big kits. So I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to get one pack of this. There we go. There we go. Some nice platinums there. Left midfielder, left striker, right defender, and a right striker, which is very nice. So then I'm going to do 1 big win. There we go. Okay. So get duplicate. Sell that. We get that kit and that kit. It's okay. So let's gonna keep going on to this. We're gonna open 50 more packs. Shot. It's gonna be quick fire. What do you get? What do you get? On target. Another contract. Contracts are fine because I can renew except the purple player because he has 200 games. It cannot be renewed, so it's fine with me. Okay. Not as good. Reactor. Hands. Okay, for keeper. Super strike. I'm tempted to get one more pack, but okay, there we go. We get another player. Get world class control. Decent. Getting all these boosters, but I'm not getting any more purples. I think my luck has run out. Reaction number 4. What one to pick? It's that one. Dribble again. Come on. Okay, now it's contract this time. I need good player. I need platinum or purple. That's what I need. Reaction. Safe hands. Got 281 big bucks left. Shot. Run. Defend. Another contract. Yeah, guys, I kind of been thinking, world class control. Kind of been thinking that I might do another Q&A if you guys would want me to. I don't have to if you don't want me to, but I would love to do another Q&A because when I had 15 subscribers, wasn't that much questions, but I still getting no purples. But I kinda would love to do another Q&A. So, and if you see Storm Hexes, okay, there we go. Nice kit. Because you've seen Storm Hex do a Q&A. He's done one. I've got 14 packs left. There we go. So he's done a Q&A. Don't know what he's on now. I think he's on line middle. He's online, but yeah. So he's done a Q&A. Like it has Storm Spartan, Storm Ninja, and yeah. I got 10 more packs, 9 more packs now. Get so. And one of the questions Storm Spartan asked, he asked, would there be a joint YouTube channel for all the Storm members so they can post? And Jamie, as he is the leader of it, said maybe. He doesn't really know because he hasn't been YouTubing for a long time. So there is a chance that that might happen. Right, guys. This, the last pack. Going for the middle. Let's see what there is. It is a shot skill boost. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and put a comment if you want to put a comment in the comment section below. I'm getting very good at that now. I might use that actually as my kit. But I hope you enjoyed the video, like I said. And until then, I actually got that. I'm actually happy I got that actually. And I got nice platinums here, some good golds, and then just Origi, yeah. But guys, until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.